In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your bus sign in and out using iCheck-in for outside school hours care. To enable this setting, you're going to click on your service menu and under Configuration, click on Settings. You're then going to click on the iCheck-in tab and the bus trip sign in and out, you can tick and click Save to enable. Once this is enabled, you then need to configure your bus run list. To do this, you're going to click on your service menu and under Configuration, click on Buses. If you do not have a bus list, you need to click here to add a new bus, name the bus, enter the number of seats, and click Save. Once you have created your bus list, you can then click on the bus run list. If you have existing bus run lists, you can click on the bus run and untick the confirm pick up or confirm drop off, or in some circumstances it may be both if the bus is used for both after school care and before school care pickups and drop offs. By unticking this setting, this will stop any confirmations that are required from guardians. Once you've unticked these options, you can click Save. If you are creating a new bus run, you can click here to add a new bus run, create the bus run name, select the bus, select the days running for that bus, the trip type, so pick up, so you're picking up from the school, dropping off to the school, and again, untick those confirmations if required. Once you've completed all of those mandatory fields, you can then click Save. To be able to add a bus run to a child's booking, you need to ensure they have the system tag Users Bus. Once this tag is applied, when clicking on the Child's Bookings tab and clicking on the Child's Bookings, you will now see the bus pickup and bus drop-off fields. Select the applicable bus for each bus run and click Save. For any further information on the bus sign in and out feature for outside school hours care, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.